You'll be good for me and fall asleep early, won't you? Come on. I want to know that you're taking care of yourself. Just relax with me, doze off, and listen to my voice. Fall asleep for me, sweetheart. Alright, so you know what you signed up for, correct? Good. Now, to preface, this doesn't work on everyone, yet you look very susceptible to this. No, never mind. Anyways, please relax and listen to my voice. Steady your breathing. Quiet, soft breaths for me, darling. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, and you're gone. You look to me as if I were a lighthouse offering guidance in a howling storm. But little do you know, darling, I am the storm, disorienting you until all you perceive is me. I will put you off balance, surround you. You will know my strength, my obsession, and we can only hope I do not drown you in my attention. Mi cielo, déjame ver tu cuerpo en mi cama, ver tus reacciones con mis toques. Necesito escuchar tu voz, declarar que me perteneces. Quiero ser el único que conoces estas partes de ti. Hey, come over here real quick, love. Turn your back to me and pick up your shirt. Good. Now sit down. I was curious what it would feel like to have my pen along your skin. Oh, don't worry, there's no ink in it. But it is one of my sharper nibs. How does it feel, huh? Can you make out the word I'm writing? Can you tell it's been the word mine over and over? Maybe if I just write a little harder, you'll be able to tell. Oh, that sharp gasp was so cute. Give me one more. Good boy. Okay. Enough for now. I don't want to dig deep enough to draw blood. Sorry to interrupt you. Get back to what you were doing, love. Yeah, I just want to say that tonight was really wonderful with you. I don't ever usually drink this much, so thank you for taking care of me and driving me home. If it's not too much to ask, can you stay the night? I don't want you to leave. I really need you. I mean, I really need you here. But I really wouldn't mind being your toy. Just please use me. I wanted you for so long, so just take fucking advantage of me already. Stop being so respectful, and just take me now. I need you, love. Do a little spin for me. Yeah, this is the one for sure. This outfit is perfect on you. The colors suit you so well, and the shoes really tied everything together. Oh, please, you don't have to worry about the price, love. You know I'll take care of it. Now, as much as I love seeing you dolled up like that, I love what's underneath it much more. So let's get this all off of you and get it paid for. Here, let me out. Look at yourself in the mirror. Such a pathetic, blushing mess. God, I can't wait to get home. Anyways, I'll be right outside when you're ready, love. Close your eyes for me, sweetheart. I want to run my fingers along your body, my lips planting kisses on your skin, every kiss making you shudder in pleasure. I want your body to react to any attention I give it. I crave to make you take every ounce of affection you deserve. I want to own that pretty little head of yours, no matter how long it takes to train you. Tesoro, no te escondes de mí. No sabes cuánto adoro estas partes. No sientes pena. Todas las partes que te da vergüenza son las partes que me encanta. Tu ropa esconde la piel de mi amor. Mi alma necesita cada pedazo de ti. Tener tu sabor sobre mis labios. You had such a hard day at work, love. Let me give you a quick little massage. What do you say? My hands running along your back, rubbing spots that must be so sore, rubbing along your shoulders, your arms, your thighs, and down to your feet. I want to worship the body of my most beloved, taking care of every last need of yours that you have. I am your servant, ready at your beck and call. I want to keep you on your pedestal, forever admiring every last bit of you, obsessing on every last detail until my eyes glaze over. Your body and being is a piece of art, and I want to be the only one allowed to study it. Please allow me such a gift, my love. Be my beautiful muse. Here, my love. Lay with me. There you go. I know things have been really rough lately, but you're gonna make it out more than fine. You've always had people in your corner rooting for you to get better, and you're always gonna have me if no one else is left. You're never gonna be alone in this, and I'm so proud of you for how far you've already made it. Shh, it's all right. Let out all the tears you need to, my love. It's all right. We can lay here and just relax for a bit. The rest of the world can wait on us until then. Quiero tenerte a mi lado, mi amor. Te necesito tanto en este momento. Odio que tengamos que estar separados por tanto tiempo, pero te amo y quiero ver tu hermoso cara y escuchar tu maravilloso voz, sentirte cerca y besarte hasta olvidar todo lo demás. Y ya quiero verte, haz que el tiempo pase más rápido, prepararte para una noche inolvidable. Inventory's done, till's been counted, and everything is cleaned up. I think I can finally go home for the night. Oh, shit. I need to wake them up now. Probably should have cut them off instead of giving them those last few drinks. Oh my god, they're cute when they're asleep, though. Hey. Hey. Hi, darling. Good morning. You look like you were having a nice nap, but it's about 3 a.m., and I need to lock up the bar for the night. Oh no, don't apologize for falling asleep. You look like you needed it. From what you've told me, you've been having a really rough go at it recently. I can't blame you for needing to let loose a little. Also, you're definitely the cutest flirt I have ever had the pleasure to have at my bar, even when you're that drunk. You know what? I'll call you an Uber. No, no argument. You're clearly still too drunk to make it home safely. And then, if you're interested in the morning, when you're well rested and sober, you can call me on this number. We could get some brunch or something, much better for a first date. Sounds good, cutie? All right, I'll be back. I don't know what you want from me, but I have no money for you. I really don't have much in the way of anything. I don't want any problems, okay? Maybe you have the wrong guy? Fuck, no. That's definitely me. But I haven't done anything to warrant this. I'm a pathetic man whose life revolves around work and nothing else. Please just let me go. I promise I won't tell anyone else about this. I won't go to any authorities. I don't even know what you look like. Please just let me go. I'm sorry. I'll shut up. Please don't hurt me. I'm sorry. Please. I'm sorry. Well, well, well. What do we have here? A little treasure to have all to myself. To cherish and to worship. You are mine. Nuh-uh. You aren't going anywhere, sweet thing. Like I said, mine. There's nothing you can fucking do about it. You're coming with me. To do whatever I fucking please with a pretty little thing like you. Now sit there, look pretty, and do as I say. No matter how much time we spend with one another, you never cease to amaze me. Countless hours of enjoying one another's presence, and yet I can't help but be excited for the countless more yet to come. You captivate me like I never thought a person ever could, and I only hope I can do the same for you, my love. You're perfection incarnate, and I want to worship the very ground you walk upon until the day I take my last breath. Allow me nothing more than the bare minimum. Make me crave for more, groveling at your feet, begging for your affection. Make me all yours. Me encanta soñar de ti, mi amor, y manejar de cómo te sientes. Las maneras que tu voz cambia cuando te hago sentir mejor. Por favor, no me dejas soñar. Haces mis fantasías realidad. That's it, my love. Just relax and let me help you feel better. I know you're in pain, and I'm sorry about that. You gotta stop working so hard. I can feel your muscles extremely tensely. Promise me you'll take care of yourself from now on. Thank you for that little nod, my love. Well, at least I can massage your back like this. You know how much I like putting my hands on your back and my lips on your neck and spine. And here. I think I just thought of a better way to relax you. Turn around. Mi tesoro, qué lindo labios tienes. Suaves. Con un color tan único. Me encanta tenerlos sobre míos, sobre mi rostro y sobre otras áreas más personales.